I haven't been to school in over 10 years since I graduated high school. So for me, it was a little bit intimidating to get back into school. I didn't know if I would be able to do it while working a job. But for me, it was very encouraging to go through this program because not only was it flexible with my hours, but I also proved to myself that if I want to continue learning, that I have that ability, and this is a great place to do that.
Sterile processing program at EVIT is designed to be on point, practical, and relatively fast. Our goal here is to teach students the absolute necessities for the sterile processing so that they are ready to actually obtain a job in the field.
Upon completion of the program, students are able to work in hospitals, surgery centers, and med-surg clinics. Students are eligible to sit for the following: Certified Sterile Processing Technician, Certified Sterile Processing Technician and Distribution Technician, and Certified Surgical Instrument Specialist.
Sterile processing is a semester-long program that is designed to serve as an introductory level medical program. We are a 20-week program that consists out of a didactics part, which would be first half of the program, and then the second portion of the program, which would be clinicals directly implemented at the clinical site.
Our educators have decades of experience. This experience has allowed them to foster phenomenal partnerships with the medical community. Those partnerships assist our students in their clinical placement.
In sterile processing, we don't necessarily touch a patient, but what we like to say is that what we touch touches the patient.
What I like about sterile processing is the level of attention to detail and organization. I like that everything has to be very precise, because if you make a mistake, that it can be very detrimental to a patient and very costly for a facility. I have a friend who had to go in for knee surgery and ended up contracting MRSA. It really drove home that I was doing the right thing and getting into an industry that was very crucial and important for everybody.
There's nothing more pleasing to me than knowing that we introduced someone to healthcare, they completed the program successfully, are now working in a field, getting their career going. Knowing that I'm part or a first step of something like that is, to me, priceless.
I feel like this program has really set me up for success and the potential to go out there and really find something that I will enjoy and be successful at.